Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone SOUNDCORE Q20i with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now, press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. And it should enter to prank mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press 2 times on the power button, 1, 2. Now click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!